Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're doing any plastering or drywall work, then having this tool is going to make it a lot easier. This is the MARSHALLTOWN Bucket Scoop, and it's a really nice little tool that just makes it so much easier to scoop out the drywall mud, plaster, or mortar from a bucket because of the shape of this tool. So it has this nice curved design that is on an angle, so you can really easily get into the corners of a bucket and make sure you're getting all of the product out and not wasting anything, and it just saves you a lot of time and energy. It has a really comfortable plastic handle that's easy to hold, and you're able to get a nice grip on it because it is textured, and so it just helps you to not slip or lose your grip when you're working with this tool. The blade is made from stainless steel, so it's going to be really durable and last for a long time and definitely help you to get your jobs done. So we've been really happy with this tool, and it's made it really efficient to scoop out drywall mud in the projects that we've been working on, and that's my point of view.